हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रिवर्सिबल एंड इरिवर्सिबल प्रोसेसेस। सो बेसिकली इरिवर्सिबल की बात करें सो देयर आर मैनी प्रोसेसेस। इरिवर्सिबल आर जस्ट स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेसेस, वेरी instant processes like exploding a bomb. So it is irreversible process because if one time if bomb is exploded, we can't the parts of the bomb join them and again it will form the bomb, right? So it is irreversible process. Another example of irreversible process, so gas leakage. Whenever gas is leaking from somewhere, we cannot absorb the gas to these certain devices and again form the gas at that same pressure, volume, and temperature. Right? So that is irreversible process. Again, irreversible process are always spontaneous, instantly, and there is very less time to done that process. Another example of irreversible process, we spark the petrol and fires just begins from the petrol, but we can't let fire off and again from that petrol. So that is again irreversible process. Similarly, if we use microwave oven, after using that microwave oven, we know that the bottom of that oven is very much heated, right? So after removing the external power, what happens there? Oven is closed now and the heat energy is just transformed from that bottom from the other part for to the other part, right? सो बॉटम से वो जो ओवन का जो बॉटम है उससे अदर पार्ट्स में हीट ट्रांसफ़र होगा, बट वी कांट रिवर्सिबल दिस प्रोसेस दैट if we cold the other part and the bottom part will be again heated. So this can't happen. So many processes are irreversible. Their pressure, volume and temperature were drastically changes there, right? सो व्हाट अबाउट रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस, क्या है, कौन से रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस है? रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस एग्जांपल्स आर वेरी लेस एंड रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस वी ऑब्टेन ओनली इन क्वासी स्टैटिक प्रोसेस. Very slow process means reversible process, but irreversible process very fast and instant process, right? So quasi static process, what is basically, earlier we discussed about this quasi static process, it is very slow process. So for example, if we have PVT as initial situation, pressure, volume and temperature, so very small fraction we change by them by P dash V dash T dash, very small. So P dash V dash T dash is very small in fraction and we convert this situation to final situation which is P2 V2 T2. So this is our initial, and after giving many small changes we just convert this process to this in final process P2 V2 T2, right? So there are many small changes, so we can reverse this process also from this final position P2 V2 T2 by again exactly same amount of fraction in opposite direction. We can also get this type of situation, and this type of situation we get evacuated chambers like piston systems, right? सो पिस्टन सिस्टम में ही ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है क्योंकि हम लोग उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं फॉर अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट. सो प्रेशर, स्मॉलर प्रेशर इज गिवन टू दिस पिस्टन. Again, if we want to change in opposite direction, smaller pressure will be released from this piston, right? So these are the reversible and irreversible processes. That's it for today now. Please like and subscribe.